And last thing I would like to ask, which our party president and the leader of the house, JP Nadda ji, has said, you name a single Muslim country in which these type of provisions are there in the Waqf board. He has quoted Saudi Arab, which is the birthplace of Islam. It is having none of this type of. He has quoted Indonesia, which is the biggest Muslim country. None of these type of provisions are there. He has quoted Turkey, which was a place of once upon a time was the seat of Turkey Caliphate. No provisions. Even the area of ISIS, Baghdad and Syria and Iraq is not having. Bangladesh and Pakistan is not having. That's why I have used the word, which is not to be taken otherwise in parliament, कि साहब एक कहावत होती है कि नया मुल्ला प्याज ज्यादा खाता है, पर साहब हिंदुस्तान में तो गैर मुल्ला प्याज ज्यादा खा रहा था. And lastly, I would like to say that this is nothing but a fight between an honest, upright Muslim and those who wants to become one and whole soul copyright holder, or rather than thekedar of the votes. These are the hardliner factions. They are trying to become that their full control over the Muslim vote should remain, and they should be considered as one and exclusive wholesale dealer of the voters. तो ये इन दोनों के बीच की लड़ाई है. ये असली ईमान वाले मुसलमान के दिल की कसक और वोट बैंक के ठेकेदारों की ठसक के बीच की लड़ाई थी. So our government has tried its level best to ensure the justice with
on the very strong points made there,
Islamic tradition to control the thing.
On the very strong points made there by Sudhanshu Trivedi, जो कह रहे हैं कि वारिस पठान जैसे लोग ठेकेदार बनना चाहते हैं मुस्लिम वोटों के, वैसे ठेकेदार तो नहीं बने, 1% वोट भी नहीं मिली. दुख की बात है उनके लिए और ओवैसी जी के लिए कि इतनी कोशिश के बाद, इतनी पोलराइजेशन के बाद भी 0.5% वोट उनको नहीं मिला. He is also going to respond to the Sharafat Khan versus Shararat Ali comment made by Sudhanshu Trivedi tonight. But ladies and gentlemen, I want to remind you, this is your chance tonight to stand by the law. This is a hot debate. And why is this debate live? ऐसे debate में live क्यों कर रहा हूं? ताकि live आप respond कर सके, because tonight BJP is taking on both AIM, PLB and AIM together on the program.